Here's something useful. Ceilings can be used to save space, which is perfectly illustrated by Bumblebee spaces. This ceiling acts as storage for all sorts of furniture like beds, nightstands, other tables, dressers, and more. That one idea can totally change how the same room works from morning to night. Basically, it uses modules that get installed into a flat ceiling, and the ceiling has to be strong enough to hold everything safely. Inside those modules are real furniture pieces like a queen-size bed, closet space. Motors lift and lower everything straight up and down. And yeah, safety is a big part of it. The system has sensors that check things like distance, weight, and whether something is in the way. On the tech side, you control it with an app on your phone, and it can also work with voice assistants. The smart part comes in because it can learn your routine, like when you usually sleep or work, and start setting things up around your habits. It can even use cameras to help keep track of stored items and remember where things are. Plus, you can use preset modes, so one command can switch the whole room setup at once. Windows systems from Kinetics are perfect for those who suddenly feel a strong desire to connect with nature in no time at all. That's what the SF90 and HF75 do, just in different ways. The SF90 is the big dramatic option. It can be almost 19 feet tall and 19 feet wide, so it's made for really large openings. It can handle very heavy glass panels and thick glass, too. Even though it's huge, it's built to stay tight and strong against wind, water, and air leaks. And it can work with single, double, or triple glass. What's really cool about the SF90 is how it opens. Instead of sliding to the side or swinging like a door, the glass panel moves straight down into the floor. It uses a counterweight system so everything stays balanced, and a small motor controls the movement so it's smooth, quiet. The HF75 is the smaller version, and it works more like a vertical sliding window. It can open upward or downward. It maxes out around 13 feet tall and wide, and it can hold panels up to 661 pounds, which is still pretty strong. It uses the same counterweight idea as the SF90, just in a more compact setup. Since the panels are lighter, some versions can be opened by hand and others can be electrically controlled. And the nice part is both systems can be combined with swing or sliding doors, come with different control options, and include a manual backup in case the power goes out. Here's a hose for a central vacuum system that excels in being highly discreet. When not cleaning, it stays completely out of sight in the wall. When it's time to clean, just pull out the hose and you're ready to vacuum immediately. Instead of stuffing it in a closet or dragging it around the house, the hose stays tucked inside the wall tubing and only comes out when you need it. It comes in 30 and even up to 60 feet. What's nice is that it has a dual seal setup and locks that work when the hose is fully out, so you can stop at the length you need and still keep good suction. Inside the tubing, there's also a smooth insert that helps the hose slide more easily, so there's less dragging and less wear over time. It also has a 360-degree swivel grip, which makes it way easier to move around furniture and get into tight spots. There's an optional battery-free remote control, too, so you can turn the vacuum on and off right from the hose instead of walking back to the inlet every time. The cool part is that it can go into new homes or be added onto an existing central vacuum system. There's even a hybrid option, so the same hose can work with regular inlets in other areas of the house. This kitchen from Disconcepts has won a huge number of awards, and rightfully so. First off, it's worth noting the kitchen just looks stylish. It's also got a TV which adds some extra points to its appeal. What's cool about this compact kitchen is that it packs in a ton of real kitchen features, but when it's closed, it can basically disappear and just look like a normal piece of furniture. It has a long worktop with the sink, faucet, and cooktop built right in. Depending on the setup, it can also include a dishwasher, a trash/waste cabinet, drawers, and shelves, and even a fridge built into the bottom section. The doors are pretty smart, too. They're about 5.9 in deep, so they're not just doors. They're extra storage. You can stash dishes, utensils, bottles, and groceries in them. Normally, they open around 90 to 120 degrees during everyday use, but the planning drawings show they can open all the way from 0 to 180 degrees if needed. The founders of IHPAPER once thought moving was too much hassle, so they made furniture out of craft paper. The company's paper furniture folds easily like an accordion and weighs very little, making transportation easy, so the pieces can squish down super thin for storage. And then you just pull them open when you want to use them. Because of that, the collection can turn into stools, benches, tables, lamps, beds, and even room dividers without hogging space when you're not using it. The company behind the brand is based in China, and they have around 74,100 square foot of factory space where they invented and make these furnitures. The round paper stool comes in 4 sizes from 11 in to 19 inches. The smallest one folds down to about 11x6x1 in. The materials are basically craft paper, hard cardboard side panels, and you can add an optional leather cushion. Some listings also say the stool range can support up to around 661 pounds, which is honestly surprising for something made of paper. There's also a 3-seat paper bench that folds down small. It weighs about 11 pounds and the company claims it can hold roughly 1,984. You'll need to do a bit of digging with a shovel to create a hole. Then spend $185 and voila, you've got an underground cooler for drinks in your yard. It holds 15 bottles safely buried underground. It's pretty slim, too, around 7.9 in wide, so it doesn't take up much space. It has a thick outer tube with a sealed bottom, plus an insulated lid that blocks UV rays. The lid also has a small ventilation valve which helps it breathe a little. Inside there's a plastic insert that fits different kinds of drinks, regular glass bottles, smaller wine bottles, and even cans. For convenience, it comes with a steel grip so you can lift drinks out by hand. And there's also a bottle opener attached near the top. Just keep in mind it's not a fridge. There are no powered parts or anything like that. It doesn't actively cool your drinks, but it uses the fact that the ground is naturally cooler underground, so your drinks stay cooler than they would sit outside. Today, we've already seen windows from HORNET, but besides that, they also make fences, eye-catching fences that are hard to look away from. What makes this system cool is that it doesn't just sit there like a normal fence all the time. When you actually need it, the glass panel rises up and makes a clear barrier. But when you don't need it, it drops down into a hidden space under the floor and basically disappears under a little floor flap. So the whole area looks way more open. And that clean look is a big reason people notice it. Technically, it's more like part of the building than just a fence. The glass panel is attached to a support structure and a counterweight not hanging from the top. Because it's balanced like that, the motor doesn't have to work as hard, which helps it move smoothly and quietly. HERT also says it stays controlled while moving. It's CE compliant, made in Switzerland, and assembled on site. It also comes with protected electronics, sealed bearings, surface protection for rough weather, and a manual emergency closing option if the power goes out. Tens of solar panels are hidden away and swiftly deployed to do their job. It might sound like something out of science fiction, but this is real. It uses basic hardware to connect two solar panels into a section that can fold up like a book. Each hinge kit has 8 aluminum hinges and works with framed panels as long as the mounting holes are close enough to the edge. And when you need to store it, you can stack up to 20 of these 2-panel sections on a pallet, which makes transport way easier. There were also container versions that used a 10x 10 feet shipping style container with up to 50 solar modules putting out around 14 to 15 kW. What's cool about this system is that it isn't meant to stay in one permanent spot. This design lets you set them up, fold them down, move them, and use them somewhere else. That can save a ton of time during setup, and it means you can reuse the same gear across different locations. This kind of solar equipment makes the most sense when you need power fast or when you know the setup might change later. And of course, it would be great if we could fold them in our backyard in a box like this one. If bees keep dying at a rate of 20% each year, they may disappear in just 11 years. Want to help protect bees? Consider BEEAMOND, a hive made specifically for urban settings. Made from transparent plexiglass, these hives enable users to observe bee activity and collect products like honey, pollen, and propylolies. The system allows bees to safely exit and re-enter the hive through a tube, letting them forage outdoors while keeping the indoor environment undisturbed. The beehives come in 3 models: aesthetic, productive, and professional. The aesthetic model is designed for observation and educational purposes without the option to collect bee products. The productive model adds modular components for harvesting honey, pollen, and propolis along with an API inhalation system that allows users to breathe air from the hive for potential health benefits. The professional model includes all features of the productive model and adds a bee venom therapy set known for its therapeutic properties. BEEAMOND emphasizes sustainability by supporting bees, which are vital for pollination and biodiversity. The beehives also serve as an educational tool, helping students and the public learn about bees, their behavior, and the essential role they play in the ecosystem. These hives are simple to set up and maintain, allowing users to raise bees indoors without protective gear. The hive's internal temperature is regulated to protect the bees from external threats like weather and pesticides, reducing their need for energy and food. BEEAMOND connects people with nature in urban settings while promoting health, education, and environmental sustainability. The plexiglass used in these hives offers high transparency, allowing detailed observation of bee behavior. The aesthetic model is priced at $780, but please note that the bees are not included. Have you bought your dream home but feel like it's missing something? If a balcony is what you need to feel comfortable, don't worry. You can build one yourself. The VELUX balcony is a unique roof window designed for sloped roofs with a pitch between 35 and 53 degrees. It features an innovative dual opening system where the upper part opens outward up to 45 degrees and the lower section extends vertically to form a small balcony with integrated railings that automatically slide into place. The frame is made of high-quality laminated pine wood and comes in white painted or clear lacquer finishes. The external parts are typically gray aluminum with custom options like copper or titanium zinc available. The CABRIO balcony includes triple glazing for enhanced energy efficiency. Its low-energy glazing helps reduce heat loss while allowing solar gain in winter and protection from excessive sunlight in summer. The window also offers soundproofing, rain noise reduction, and anti-dew features, improving indoor comfort. A ventilation flap allows fresh air to enter even when the window is closed, while the laminated inner glass increases safety by holding fragments in place if the glass breaks. In terms of technical performance, the window has a thermal transmittance U value of 1.22 watts per square meter Kelvin and a sound insulation rating of 37 dB. It is built to withstand harsh weather conditions such as hail and heavy snow. This product offers aesthetic and practical advantages for homeowners looking to transform their loft spaces by improving access to natural light, fresh air, and outdoor views. The price it starts at $3,217. This is not just a fire shield. The VOLCANN fold-out wall mount barbecue is a space-saving folding grill that can be mounted on the wall, making it a great addition to your backyard. Designed for small outdoor spaces, it mounts to the wall using 4 keyhole slots which allow for quick installation and easy removal. Its foldable design provides efficient storage when not in use. This grill includes modular stainless steel trays allowing for various cooking methods such as grilling or preparing kebabs. The trays are dishwasher safe for easy cleaning. A removable charcoal tray makes it simple to add fuel and clean up after cooking. Additionally, built-in drainage holes manage any excess liquids during use, while utensil hooks are integrated into the design to keep tools within reach during grilling. When closed, the barbecue measures 16.5 in width, 4 15/16 in depth, and 20 in height. When opened, the depth extends to 19.1 in, providing ample grilling space without taking up too much room. Manufactured in the United Kingdom, this wall-mounted barbecue offers an efficient grilling option for those with limited outdoor space. Its sturdy construction and practical features make it a suitable choice for anyone looking for an easy-to-use, space-saving grill without the need for large, bulky equipment. The VOLCANN allows for outdoor grilling with minimal setup and maintenance, keeping your space tidy and ready for use. All of this costs $321. In 2016, Miles McHarvely returned from a work trip to discover that his 1972 Harley-Davidson motorcycle was missing. The police got involved, but the case didn't go far. Amazingly, 4 years later, the bike reappeared in the exact spot it had been stolen from. Unfortunately, not every theft ends so well. That's why the ZCAM team developed the Garage Defender system. The Garage Defender is a security barrier specifically designed for garages to protect motorcycles, cars, and valuable equipment. It features a telescopic barrier with a gas strut mechanism for easy lifting and lowering. Constructed from heavy-duty steel, it is highly resistant to physical attacks such as ram raiding, sledgehammer blows, and drilling. While angle grinders can eventually breach it, its overall strength makes unauthorized access difficult. The barrier is installed securely into solid concrete using expanding bolts, and it locks in place horizontally within the garage using a key-operated barrel lock system. The compact design of the Garage Defender allows it to fit under most standard garage doors without interfering with normal entry or exit. Additionally, it incorporates needle roller bearings to ensure smooth operation over time, minimizing wear and tear from frequent use. The device is designed to create a physical obstacle that deters potential theft by forcing significant effort and noise from anyone attempting to bypass it. Engineered to offer significant protection against theft, the Garage Defender acts as an extra layer of security for vehicles and other valuables. Its solid construction and secure locking system reduce the likelihood of unauthorized access, increasing peace of mind for vehicle owners. In 1998, Peter Locker, living in a small 20m studio apartment in Paris, became frustrated by the lack of compact, comfortable, and original kitchen designs available on the market. Determined to solve this problem, he decided to design his own, which led to the creation of the company KITCHOO. With models needing as little as 1.54 square m of space, these kitchens are fully equipped with essential appliances, including a hob, oven, refrigerator, dishwasher, and sink with retractable taps. Made from high-pressure laminate, they are resistant to heat, scratches, and stains, ensuring long-lasting performance. A standout feature of KITCHOO kitchens is their innovative space-saving design, which includes hidden hoods that allow the kitchen to blend into the surrounding environment when not in use. These compact units also offer practical features like built-in LED lighting with remote-controlled brightness and integrated power outlets. The modular design provides flexibility, allowing users to select different configurations, including options with or without a dishwasher, waste bin, or retractable table depending on their specific needs. In addition to functionality, KITCHOO focuses on aesthetics. Their sleek, minimalist design and customizable color options enable the kitchen to fit seamlessly into modern interiors, making it an ideal choice for those who seek to maximize efficiency in smaller living spaces. KITCHOO's thoughtful approach to design ensures that even with limited space, users can enjoy a fully equipped and stylish kitchen that enhances the overall living experience. KITCHOO's kitchens continue to appeal to individuals looking for smart solutions that blend both practicality and modern design in a compact format. Ideal for urban lifestyles. The K6 will cost you at least $5,450. Now, let's talk about Oto, a smart lawn care system designed to simplify lawn maintenance through automation. It features a precision sprinkler with a 360° nozzle reach of 30 feet, covering areas up to 2,800 square foot. The system is powered by solar energy requiring about 3 hours of sunlight daily with a manual power option for shaded areas. Managed through a mobile app, Oto allows users to set specific watering zones and automate tasks like fertilizing and pest control. It holds up to 3 treatment bottles and applies them automatically at optimal times based on weather and soil conditions. Oto supports eco-friendly lawn care by using non-toxic treatments made from natural ingredients such as essential oils and microbes. Its smart system adjusts watering schedules according to weather, helping to reduce water waste. Designed to replace traditional lawn tools like spreaders, Oto makes lawn care simpler and more efficient. In colder climates, the system pauses treatments during the offs, aligning with the growing cycle. Setup is simple, requiring only a hose, a Wi-Fi connection, and basic mounting. This approach makes Oto accessible to homeowners who want to maintain their lawns with less effort than traditional methods. The system automates essential lawn tasks from watering to applying treatments, offering an effective and time-saving alternative to traditional lawn services. By integrating technology and eco-friendly methods, Oto helps homeowners maintain a vibrant lawn while reducing the need for professional assistance while we sleep in the present. MagniFlex customers are already enjoying the future with their MAGNI SmartTech smart beds. This bed is a high-tech sleep system that enhances sleep quality through advanced technology and comfort. It consists of a smart mattress, an adjustable bed base, and an app that tracks a variety of sleep metrics. These include heart rate, respiratory rhythm, body temperature, sleep duration, and movement, along with environmental factors like room temperature, noise levels, and brightness. The data is monitored in real time and available via the app, offering a detailed overview of sleep patterns and the surrounding environment. Some of the standout features include an anti-snore function that automatically adjusts the bed's position when snoring is detected, helping maintain uninterrupted sleep. Chromotherapy uses colored lights to support relaxation, while the zero-gravity position aids in spinal alignment and muscle relaxation for improved comfort. The Smart Wake Up feature provides a gentle way to wake up, using soft vibrations or gradual light changes rather than a sudden alarm. The MAGNI SMARTECH system also offers multiple adjustable bed positions for activities such as reading or muscle relaxation. Additionally, it supports leg elevation to help with circulation and reduce swelling. The system is constructed using high-quality materials including Outlast fabric for temperature regulation and a combination of Memigel latex and Illoform layers for breathability, flexibility, and support. By collecting and analyzing sleep data, the system provides a tailored approach to improving sleep, offering a personalized experience for better rest. This comprehensive approach is designed to provide a deeper, more refreshing sleep, adapting to individual needs and environmental factors. The TERMIT PROFI series is designed for efficient wastewater treatment, particularly for homes and cottages. These systems are made from linear low-density polyethylene, offering strong resistance to corrosion, pressure, and extreme temperatures. The TERMIT profile does not require electricity, making it well suited for off-grid or remote locations. It uses anaerobic bacteria to break down waste, converting it into safe byproducts like carbon dioxide, nitrogen, and minerals. This process purifies water up to 75%, with the remaining filtration occurring through soil irrigation fields or drainage wells. There are different models to accommodate varying household sizes. The TERMIT PROFI 1.2 is designed for 1 to 2 people, while the PROFI 2.0 serves up to 4 people and can process about 210 gal of wastewater per day. For areas with higher groundwater levels, some models come with built-in drainage pumps. The TERMIT PROFI's seamless design ensures it can withstand considerable ground pressure with a lifespan exceeding 50 years. The system is straightforward to install, especially in locations with lower groundwater, and it requires minimal maintenance, making it a practical option for long-term wastewater management. Its environmentally friendly nature ensures compliance with necessary health and environmental standards, offering a safe and efficient solution. All models in the TERMIT PROFI series are certified to meet these requirements, providing households with a reliable method of wastewater treatment that functions without the need for constant upkeep or energy input. What do you think about ALSU step lift? This compact vertical transport system is designed to facilitate movement between floors without the need for extensive structural modifications. This motorized lift fits alongside staircases and operates similarly to an elevator. At only 6 in wide when not in use, it occupies minimal space, allowing others to continue using the stairs. It can carry up to 330 pounds and operates with simple controls to move up or down. The lift is designed for installation on existing staircases without major construction, making it well suited for homes, public spaces, and businesses. It can be mounted on either side of the staircase, providing flexibility for different environments. The system allows for the synchronization of multiple units, making it possible to coordinate travel across several flights of stairs by signaling the next lift at each landing. Safety features are an important aspect of the ALSA step lift. It includes sensors that detect obstructions and an optional safety belt for users who may need additional support. In case of a power failure, a backup battery ensures the platform retracts, preventing it from blocking the stairs. The lift also offers adjustable speed settings to ensure smooth travel with gradual starts and stops. This lift is currently in use in settings like hospitals and hotels where conventional elevators may not be practical. It provides a functional alternative for vertical mobility in places where space or structural limitations exist. Its design offers an effective solution to improve accessibility in a variety of locations without the need for large-scale installations. The team at KITCHOO Technologies envisioned this idea during the design phase and it turned out well, especially considering their ambitious goal to create a unique wind generator. These turbines operate with oscillating aerofoils arranged in a honeycomb structure which efficiently convert wind into electricity through mechanical movements. This design performs well in areas with low or variable wind speeds, making it suitable for urban environments where space and noise are issues with traditional large turbines. The bladeless turbines are designed to integrate smoothly into buildings or energy grids. They operate quietly and perform efficiently in environments with low turbulent winds, which makes them ideal for cities and densely populated areas. KITCHOO wind panels can be installed alongside roads or on rooftops to capture wind energy that would otherwise be lost. For example, a 1 stretch of roadside panels can generate enough energy to power hundreds of homes each year. This system not only lowers installation and maintenance costs, but also reduces environmental impacts, providing a cleaner energy solution. The aerofoils adapt quickly to changes in wind conditions, which improves the efficiency of energy capture even in fluctuating weather conditions. KITCHOO system offers clear benefits compared to traditional turbines, which are often criticized for being large, noisy, and potentially harmful to wildlife. With the technology at technology readiness level 5, the company plans to conduct further testing and optimizations before a commercial launch. KITCHOO Technologies is collaborating with research institutions to improve the design and aims to deploy the solution widely in urban and rural areas, airports, and other locations seeking renewable energy options. This is a high-performance microwave intrusion detection system developed by Advanced Perimeter Systems. It uses microwave sensors to create an invisible detection barrier for reliable perimeter security in outdoor environments. The system is designed to operate consistently in harsh weather conditions, including rain, fog, and snow. The MW200 model can cover distances of up to 656 feet with a wide 3D detection zone, while the MW310 integrates microwave and passive infrared sensors for more accurate detection. This allows the system to distinguish between real threats and environmental factors like wind or small animals. MicroGuard is frequently used in high-security areas such as military sites, prisons, and critical infrastructure where dependable protection is crucial. It can also be integrated with other advanced perimeter systems products such as electric fences and alarm panels to create a more comprehensive security network. In agricultural settings, MicroGuard helps safeguard large fields, livestock, and equipment from theft and vandalism. The system is adaptable to remote areas and can use solar power, making it effective even in locations without access to traditional electrical infrastructure. Its easy installation and ability to withstand different environmental conditions make it an efficient solution for protecting extensive outdoor perimeters. With its design, MICROGUARD ensures consistent detection across various terrains without being affected by adverse weather or minor environmental changes, providing reliable protection for high security and open space applications alike. We're in Somerset, southwest England, in the village of Cheddar, known as the birthplace of the famous cheese. Farming is a major part of life here, with many people working and living on large plots of land. Safety and convenience for visitors are important considerations in the area. The West Country Tech Gate system is designed for large estates, rural properties, and farms, offering secure and efficient gate entry management. It integrates video and audio communication with motorized gate control, allowing users to manage access remotely via a smartphone app. The system enables gate operation from any location, making it particularly useful for properties that are far from the user's current location. The system features a built-in camera for live video feeds, enabling property owners to visually verify visitors before granting entry. It also supports integration with CCTV systems, enhancing security by capturing continuous footage of entry points. For added flexibility, the system allows for keypad and fob entry, providing secure access for authorized individuals. Its two-way communication feature allows property owners to have real-time video or audio conversations with visitors at the gate, ensuring an extra layer of security. Designed to work with motorized gates, it is well suited for properties where access must be controlled remotely. With remote access control, real-time communication, and CCTV integration, the West Country Tech Intercom gate system helps property owners efficiently manage gate access and security. Its comprehensive features offer a reliable way to monitor entry points and secure large properties, giving owners peace of mind no matter where they are. LLUMAR films offer a range of window and paint protection films for both automotive and architectural uses. These films feature advanced benefits like reducing heat, blocking harmful UV rays, and self-healing properties that protect surfaces and improve comfort. For vehicles, LLUMAR's automotive window tints, including the high-performance Formula 1 series, reduce heat, block up to 99% of UV rays, and enhance privacy, offering a safer and more comfortable driving experience. LLUMAR's paint protection films, PPF, such as the Valor and Platinum series, protect vehicles from damage like scratches, debris, and environmental wear. The self-healing capability in these films helps minor scratches disappear with the application of heat in homes and commercial buildings. LLUMAR's architectural films help regulate solar heat gain and reduce glare, improving energy efficiency. They are also useful for enhancing privacy and adding decorative designs while reinforcing windows for increased security by strengthening glass against impacts or breakage. The Vista series, designed for residential use, blocks UV rays and helps maintain indoor temperature, leading to energy savings. Premium films like CTX and IRX provide high levels of infrared rejection, making them ideal for regions with high temperatures. LLUMAR films are a reliable choice for improving comfort, privacy, and surface protection. These films are long-lasting and backed by advanced technology, providing effective solutions for both vehicles and buildings in a variety of settings. Check out TREMOR subwoofers. They can be seamlessly built into your walls, delivering amazing sound. The TREMOR 10, the most popular model, features a 10-in woofer in a sealed cabinet, providing bass comparable to a 12-in subwoofer. With a power capacity of 250 W and a frequency range from 45 to 90 Hz, it is a strong option for home theaters and audio systems. The subwoofer's maximum output reaches up to 110 dB with bass extension, ensuring deep distortion-free bass. A notable feature is the frameless magnetic grille, which can be painted to match any room, making it virtually invisible once installed. For optimal performance, the TREMOR 10 is paired with the TRUS 500 DSP amplifier, a 500W mono DSP amplifier. The amplifier allows users to fine-tune the sound with adjustable settings such as crossover frequencies and phase control, ensuring precise audio quality. For those desiring more bass, the system can be expanded with the optional TREMOR X bass extender, which adds an extra 3 dB of output, delivering an even more immersive sound experience. With its sleek design and powerful performance, this in-wall subwoofer series fits discreetly into any room, delivering a superior audio experience without sacrificing style. It's a great solution for those seeking high-performance sound in a space-saving format. This motorized pop-up power outlet system is designed to integrate seamlessly into countertops made of stone or timber. It includes 2 standard 15-amp power outlets and 3 USB ports, offering both USB-A and USB-C for multiple charging options. Rated IP44 for water resistance and featuring tamper-proof plugs, it is suitable for use in kitchens and family spaces, ensuring both safety and usability. The unit operates with a light touch, smoothly rising from the surface when needed and retracting when not in use. It connects through a 6-foot cord to a standard outlet with no complicated wiring required. POINTPOD blends into the surrounding surface when retracted, making it nearly invisible. Customization options allow it to match the countertop material, maintaining a clean and sleek appearance. Its compact size is ideal for spaces where minimizing clutter is important, such as kitchens or offices. Installation requires a professional to cut a 4-in diameter hole in the surface and properly set up the electrical connections. By staying hidden until activated, POINTPOD improves space efficiency while providing easy access to power. It fits well in both residential and commercial environments where wall outlets are less desirable. The unit is built with long-lasting materials and includes a replaceable motor, ensuring reliability over time. The thoughtful design offers a practical power solution for modern environments without disrupting the visual appeal. Whether in a kitchen, office, or other setting, POINTPOD provides an efficient and subtle way to manage power needs. If you have a wine cellar and want to keep it private, you can conceal it under a hidden hatch. For convenience, consider making it electric. There are many designs available online. These cellars are accessed through a trapdoor integrated into the floor, which can be constructed from materials like glass, wood, or tile. The design is often spiral-shaped, providing storage for up to 1,900 bottles, making it a practical solution for collectors who want to maximize available space without compromising on aesthetics. Positioned underground, these cellars naturally maintain stable temperatures and proper humidity levels, which are critical for the long-term aging of wine. They can also include features such as LED lighting to illuminate the collection without producing extra heat, and custom-made doors that seamlessly blend into the floor for a discreet look. Access may be further enhanced with motorized or remote-controlled mechanisms depending on the user's preference. The installation process involves excavating the ground to fit the structure, followed by the application of waterproofing to protect the wine. These cellars can be added to both newly constructed homes or retrofitted into existing ones. These wine cellars not only offer a functional solution for storing and aging wine, but also contribute to the overall design of the home. With the entire collection stored underground, the wine remains protected while being easy to access in an efficient, organized manner. The trapdoor design ensures that the cellar occupies minimal floor space, making it ideal for homes of varying sizes. Check out ENIMINE. It is an advanced airsoft mine designed to enhance gameplay with a unique microwave radar system that detects movement within a range of 32.88 feet. Once triggered, it launches into the air and disperses BBS over a radius of 22.9 feet, creating an immersive and dynamic airsoft experience. The mine includes a launch base and a reusable bouncing mechanism powered by a 7.4-volt Li rechargeable battery. Its outer shell, made from ABS plastic and aluminum, offers reliable performance and protection during use. The radar-based activation system provides greater effectiveness in large play areas where traditional pressurette-triggered mines often fall short. Controlled remotely via RF, users can arm or disarm the device from a distance, adding flexibility to gameplay. Setting up the mine is straightforward, requiring players to load BBS, fill the gas reservoir, and activate the radar with a remote, confirmed by an acoustic signal. ENIMINE's structure features an aluminum body coated with foam designed to absorb shock when activated. The trigger mechanism, powered by a compression spring and servo motor, ensures consistent operation.